Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to the Artful Advent Day 20. It's all about the mistletoe today. This is going to be a quick one. Hold on. For the mistletoe, I want to put white berries on there, and so I'm going to use my French gray, which is a very light gray. That is this color here. And then I'm going to use a blue or green. A lot of the greens so far have been yellow greens, so when you mix it, make sure it leans to more blue than it does yellow. Let's do the berries first. I've just got French gray on there, and I'm just going to fill them in. I'm going to take just a little touch of blue, little. So I've got some blue up here. I'm just going to touch it, and I'm going to touch it into my French gray. And I'm going to drop a little bit into each berry. Just to give it a little bit of shadow. Now I'm going to mix my green. I've got a color called Rare Green Earth. This is a granulating color. It's my favorite dark green. See how much bluer it is than like that green. So that's the blue green, that's the yellow green. Make sure it's more blue. I'm just going to paint each leaf one at a time. Going to pick up a little more blue while it's wet. Going to add a bit of water. You can work about 3 leaves at a time while it's still wet. But you know you're on speed, so if you can do them all and keep them wet, that's great. Water. I'm going to take a bit of brown, so any brown you have, and that's what I'm going to do my stems with. Pick up a little more paint. Just shade right there at the edge. I have a little bitty tie up here that I want to be bright red. You'll notice I don't have any red over here, so I'm just going to add a little bitty bright red. This has been dried, and I'm using my Posca pen now. Each of the berries should just have a little highlight. And then on the leaves, I want you to imagine half of a leaf, so just cut it in half and dot 1/2 of it. Again, make sure you break the lines over here. Gonna make a little highlight on the red. And I'm going to just touch a little highlight in the brown, not too much. If you were inspired by today's mistletoe, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching.